Hi everyone, welcome back to the Studio Apps channel. My name is Ruth, and in this video I will show you how to enable our newest integration between ReConvert and SMS Bump that allows you to send birthday SMS flows to your customers. These flows let you not only congratulate your customers on their birthday and offer them a discount on the store, but also make a whole flow out of it and give your customers the option to purchase and to use this birthday benefit for more than one day. So let's see how we do it. First thing, on ReConvert, on the page builder, you will have to add a birthday collector widget. If you don't know how to use the page builder or how to get to it, I will link our onboarding video down below. It will have full explanation on exactly how to do it and how to use the app. I already have a birthday widget ready here. Let's just click on it to see what it enables us to do. We have a general text area where we can edit the title of this widget. We have the date format and a placeholder text for the birthday field. We have the text and colors for the button. And lastly, the thank you message text and color. That's just about it. The widget is already set up, so I don't need to edit anything new here. You can put whatever you want in it. Let's go back to the dashboard. In the ReConvert dashboard, we're going to go to Settings, General Settings, and scroll all the way down to Third-Party Birthday Integrations. We're going to have to select SMS Bump here. And that's just it. On the ReConvert side, you are now integrated with SMS Bump and you can start sending birthday messages. Now, if you don't have SMS Bump installed yet, don't worry. Once you choose it here, you will have a link to install the app and then you can activate the integration. Now, to set up the rest of the flows and the integration, let's go to the SMS Bump dashboard. This is the SMS Bump dashboard. One important thing that you need to know is that in order to enable the integration on SMS Bump, you have to be using a paid plan. Their paid plans are kind of worth it because you get to do a lot of really cool stuff with them that you can't do otherwise. So let's go and check out how to enable the integration. We have to go to Automations. Under Automations, you will have two default birthday message flows that you can set up. I've already set up the flow the way that I want it to be sent, so we're going to go through that so that you can see exactly what it looks like. SMS Bump will suggest one message a day before the birthday and one on the birthday itself, but you can change it up to be whatever you want it to be. I changed it up to be a week before the birthday, on the birthday, a week after the birthday, and then 2 weeks after the birthday. This flow actually enables the customer to have a whole month where he can redeem the birthday offer. Starting 1 week before the birthday, I am just giving the customer a heads up that he's having a birthday gift coming up to him on the day of his birthday. Let's check out the exact settings for it. You can start by setting up the event name. In the event trigger, you have to choose the ReConvert birthday reminder. And in the notify, it would be the customer, but you wouldn't really have an option to change it here because the birthday events are only applied to customers. Now you can change up the time of the sending. It could be on the day of the birthday, days before, or days after. Here we are starting 7 days before, and you can change also the time that you are sending the message at. All this message does is give the customer a heads up that a birthday gift is coming his way. In SMS Bump, you can add some personalization parameters, but you can also add some emojis to your text message to make it seem a little more personal. One important thing to note when you're setting up these messages is the number of SMS messages. The higher it is, the more you will pay for each message. So your goal would always be to have one message per automation, but it's okay to sometimes have more. It's all up to you. Just take it into account. Now let's go back to the Automations dashboard. As you can see, the status of this event is active, and you can also always disable it and make it inactive. The next event would be the day of the birthday. Let's check out what we have here. We have again the name, event, and notify. These will not change, and we're sending it in the same day at 11 a.m. What we have here is just a happy birthday message with a 30% off. What I did here is added an automated discount, which applies the discount on the URL. When you press this checkbox, what you have is the option to choose from all of the discounts on your store, and it will apply this discount automatically on the link. Make sure to give this discount the same rules that you would when you're sending the message. The next message we will send is a week after the birthday. Let's see what we'll say in here. We're sending it 7 days after the birthday at 7 p.m. and we're just reminding the customer that he has 2 more weeks to redeem his offer and he should not miss out on it. And lastly, 2 weeks after the birthday. Again, this message is 14 days after the birthday at 7 p.m. and we're just making the last reminder for the customer that this is his last chance to redeem the offer. That's it. You're all set up. You're sending now happy birthday SMS flows to your customers, giving them a whole month to redeem their birthday offer. This is a great tool, not only to get people to buy from you again on their birthday, but also to just improve your relationship with your customers by celebrating their special day with them and, as a result, improving your customer retention. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know if you have any comments, questions, or anything else, and let us know how do you celebrate your customers' birthdays and what are the results that you're seeing. Have a great day and have fun optimizing your retention rates.